Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. Well, we started out with a pretty quiet morning out there, cool temperatures with that overnight low dropping down to around 29 degrees here at Wallops last night. We're seeing those temperatures warming this morning into the low to mid 30s pretty quickly with some light winds, but all that's going to come to a change tomorrow as we're going to see a really strong cold front move through the area especially late in the evening as that front draws closer to the Wallops area. We'll see some strong windy conditions and some pretty heavy rain showers with that front as well. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, you can see high pressure dominating the weather here across the mid-Atlantic. So setting the stage for a pretty nice day here for us overall. We'll see those temperatures warming into the low 50s and our winds generally pretty light today compared to what we sometimes see during the wintertime here at Wallops, and certainly compared to what we'll see tomorrow night. Currently out there, just a broken deck of high, thin cirrus cloudiness at 25,000 feet with unrestricted visibilities. Winds out of the west at 4 knots. Temperature at 32 degrees as of 8 a.m. Relative humidity at 92%. I want to take a look here at our infrared satellite. You can see those high, thin cirrus clouds overspreading the area. Quite a bit of sunshine will be peeking through those clouds as we go throughout the morning and early afternoon hours. And then as we get into the later portions of the day, and especially overnight tonight, we'll start to see those clouds begin to thicken up at the upper levels of the atmosphere. I want to look here at our short range model and show you what we expect here for today and then that storm system as it passes tomorrow night. So as you can see throughout the day today, as we go through time, this would be the afternoon today, really no precipitation to worry about whatsoever. As we get into the overnight hours tonight and into the morning hours, you can see some of those showers associated with that cold front beginning to reach the western portions of the state of Virginia and draw closer to our area by the afternoon tomorrow. So we could see a slight chance of a few scattered showers during the afternoon. We'll also see those winds begin to creep up throughout the day. We'll start out breezy during the morning and then see some gusty winds by the afternoon with those winds possibly gusting up to 30 to 40 miles per hour during the afternoon tomorrow. As we get into the evening hours, this is when we really expect the most severe weather to occur. Could even see some embedded thunderstorms in our area tomorrow night, probably after 8 o'clock or so, when some of these convective showers begin to rotate into the area. So as you can see, by 7 or 8 o'clock, starting to get some of those heavier showers. Then from about 8 o'clock on through about 2 a.m. Friday morning, that's when we'll see the most significant impacts from this front as it crosses through. So we'll see quite heavy rain and some very strong gusty winds, possibly gusting up as high as 50 to 55 miles per hour late Thursday night into early Friday morning. So hopefully we make out without too much in the way of damage. We will likely see some tree limbs fall from this storm as we will see the winds associated with some already saturated soils probably taking down at least some smaller tree limbs and maybe even some smaller trees as it goes through the area with those saturated soils. So certainly something to look for, and hopefully we'll keep our power as we go through the Christmas Eve evening into early Friday morning. But it does look like a pretty significant system as it moves through with those strong winds. We should see all of the rain shower activity pushing through the area late Thursday night, and as we wake up Friday morning for Christmas, should see those showers coming to an end. We'll likely see mostly cloudy skies continuing through much of the day on Friday, and could even see a little bit of snow flurry activity as we see some upper level energy rotate through during the afternoon and evening hours of Friday. So that will be something to look for as well. Looking for dropping temperatures throughout the day on Friday, and also some breezy conditions continuing, although not nearly as significant with those winds as what we will see late Thursday night. So for today, you can see a green chart across the board with fairly benign weather. We'll see those winds begin to increase as we go into the evening and overnight hours tonight, seeing some southeasterly winds up around 10 to 15 knots after midnight tonight, possibly gusting up to around 20 knots by early Thursday morning. And then Thursday and Friday, that's when we'll see some more significant weather with the less benign conditions with that frontal passage, we'll see, again, strong gusty winds up around 50 to 55 miles per hour Thursday night with those rain showers quite heavy at times. Could see an inch of rain or maybe even a little bit more than that as that front crosses the area, especially as we get the potential for some of those embedded convective cells as they move through, dropping some very heavy rainfall as that front moves through. So again, the worst impacts from this storm will be Thursday night, likely from about 8 or 9 o'clock through about 2 a.m. It's when we'll see our highest winds and our heaviest rain from this system. And as we wake up Christmas morning, looking at dry conditions with mostly cloudy skies. And as we go through the day, could see a few flurries, especially during the afternoon and evening. Will be much colder on Christmas Day than what we'll see Christmas Eve, as we are expecting a high of 60 degrees on Thursday. And then for your Friday, starting out the day in the low 40s and seeing those temperatures dropping into the 30s pretty quickly throughout the day. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice day.